Hey Destiny friends, this is Suzanne in Texas, and I'm sorry about the overhead lights on my screen, but I wanted to show you something. One of the things I learned at a local class that I took on the Destiny, which was so exciting to finally get something to do, or get someone in town that could teach us. Anyway, if you're ever on one of your special stitches, notice it's the decorative stitch. I'm going into number 6 and choosing, let's say, the feather stitch here. It's 601 or 610. There's the feather stitch, but if you look down here, you can't do any adjusting. I don't remember why she said that was true, but that's the case. If you'll go back, let me just touch here, say okay, and go back and choose 7. And look, there's the feather stitch in it. Choose it, and voila. You can change the width, you can change the length, and so on. Hope that helps you. Let me show you one other thing. Let me get it over here without trying to make you dizzy that she showed us. Sorry, I should have been more prepared. If you ever have trouble with shredding when you're doing any quilting or anything where you've used a basting spray, or I guess embroidery too, grab some of these anti-glue needles. That's what she suggested. I haven't tried it yet, but I went ahead and ordered them. You know me. Anyway, hope that helps. Thanks. Bye.